Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film a quick clean with me video. Well, I guess it'll be quick on my channel. It's probably not going to be quick in real life. I'll make sure to speed it up. But our master bedroom is a total disaster right now. So I wanted to tidy up and declutter and just get everything put away. I like to start by just kind of moving stuff to where it goes. We're the kind of people who end up putting things in rooms where they just don't belong in the first place. So I start by doing that and making the bed, and then I go from there. So I hope you enjoy this clean with me video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, thanks for being here. I also wanted to show you all my little cleaning tote. I'm one of those completely psycho people who keep all their products in one place downstairs, and then I'm like trying to juggle them all in my arms. So I bought this tote, this little basket that I can keep everything in. Literally everything's in here. Wood cleaner, glass cleaner, Clorox wipes if I use those. I've been using all of my Mrs. Meyer's and Method stuff lately, but it's all in here. Sponges, there's even like an old toothbrush in here if I really need to get crazy. So yeah, I'm loving this from Target. They had all of their totes and storage containers on sale the other day for 10% off, so we got quite a few things. I've got this one, I've got another one just like this that I think I'm going to use to organize under my sink in the bathroom, and then I have one that's shallow sitting on top of my dryer to contain all of our laundry stuff. So I'm really liking this. It's turquoise, matches my house, so, or minty turquoise. So yeah. Okay, y'all, yesterday I showed you that I was cleaning in here. You can see my computer under the bed, but here is my nightstand. I have some jewelry, some glasses, a little pouch with some things in it beside my bed that I need, a wedding photo, my notebooks, and then a basket to keep any additional things. We have matching pillowcases, but they are in the wash, so that's what we have for now. For here I have a little dress form. I hang my scarves and stuff like that on it. Missing a hat up here, so that looks kind of weird. We have our TV and our dresser. And yes, we still have our skinny Christmas tree up. Over here we have our wingback chair. You can see out the window that it's been snowing. And way over there you can see the pond between two houses on the left. Oh, a car just went by. You can see the pond over there, which I always like to look out at. You can barely see it. When we moved in, we were told that no one would ever build anything behind us. And we had perfect view of that pond over there. And now it's all gone. Kind of sad, but oh well. And then here's my vanity. It used to be a desk that I turned into a vanity. And all of my makeup, which looks a little wild right now. It's not super organized, but everything's in there. I have foundation and primers on the top, cheek and highlighters and some lipsticks in the middle, and then all eyeshadows, mascaras, and eyeliners in the bottom. I have a little bowl for my earrings, makeup brushes, Q-tips, more earrings, jewelry, photos. This one got moved out, so I have some crocheting stuff in there that I need to put up. Over here is Nate's, well, it's supposed to be his bedside table, but it doesn't really fit, so it's over here. Lots of books. He's got some Chex Mix that he didn't put up last night. His marathon medals. I have a lamp there that doesn't really fit. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with that. Then I have a photo frame here that we need to hang up. I'm thinking about putting it here, but it might also look good out in the hall. So then I put my Valentine's Day banner up. And yeah, and you can see over here where I tested out some paint. I still can't decide if I want to use that paint. We'll see. So yeah. And over here, well, you can see that I have a tripod in the bathroom. That's super normal, right? I just stuck it in there to get it out of the way. Over here I have Nate's banners, his bibs, I guess I should say, and some of his medals from his marathons. So I put that together for him. So yeah, this is our bedroom when it's nice and clean, even though there's still a Christmas tree in here. But we got some Valentine's Day spirit going on, so it's okay. thanks for watching.